Alright, welcome back. Which honestly, it makes ultra choice is here. Or at least in terms of because it's like on its own part of the. Oh, it might not select this. Ooh. Oh. Sorry, Tank, you might have to be a sacrifice here. Because I'm just... Yeah, sorry. If that didn't burn, you might have had a small chance, but... Raichu should still be able to easily... One T-Bolt at that health might beat it. Yeah. Alright. The technical easy part of the battle is done. I almost got an excellent on my first throw. Expecting it one shake. Nope, two. Definitely two. Yep. I think to make Moltres the easiest one to catch as well. More of in terms of the patterns it moves in than the actual like easiness to catch, because it definitely has the same catch rate as the other two. But I think in terms of like its movement, it definitely doesn't have a sporadic movement as the other two have. Also because this one you can easily run into this one on your main story, whereas the other two you have to go out of the way to really that wasn't even a shake. Fantastic. One, two. One. Just that its circle finishes in such a weird spot. I'm not even trying to get the circle anymore. Because it's like I'm throwing it too hard to catch it in the circle. Like if it had been a much smaller one. That's fine. Well, that was an excellent. Apparently an excellent. Nice. That one only took 4 minutes. Let's go. Like I said, that one was probably the easiest one. Oh, Tank didn't gain an XP. Oh well. Sorry, Tank. Legendary Pokemon is a claps its flaming wings that leave the sky ultra red. Doggo staring at the Pokeball you just used with wonder and joy in its eyes. Yeah. Now there's just a Geodude here trying to steal the glory. Oh, those are the hardest Pokemon to catch in the game, because the only only other one that's kind of difficult is you're supposed to use the Master Ball on, so the hardest part is actually like beating it. I think I have to go all the way around. I just want to make sure though. Yeah. That's like a one-way. Well, two-way technically if you're just going up to talk to Officer Jenny to go heal. Need the chosen compass here. Uh-huh. Wow. Good time to not swap off tank. I don't really know. Oh no, Swift or Sonic Boom. Even if it explodes, it's not gonna do that much. Swift. Yeah, I'll you're not surviving that, bud. Sorry. Kingler, definitely not staying. Honestly, I'm just gonna Thundershock it, because I don't think it's Thundershock. Yeah. Right on. Going Doggo. Oh, Freezy Frost. Oh no, I kind of regret going into the double edge, but honestly, I don't. It's whatever. I mean, honestly, I feel like all of these moves that I have on it are more. Stay. Honestly, probably should have swapped out to ride on, but. Faster. Shouldn't do that much, yeah. That's just a hyper beam. That don't feel that bad. I don't believe it. Her. Is there? Well, can't. Ah. Right. I think I need to knock it down. No, you're not. That's annoying. You're supposed to just keep it straight up. So I think it resets up here. Or it resets down there at least. Yeah, I should have gone launch before I would just assume that I could. That it would just. Or no, walk into me, Graveler. Okay, we cannot scoot this up. Why do we only go one direction? That opens up that path. Which means that we're almost done. Get through here, you can go meet the Elite Four. Yeah? Pokemaniac Dawson. Look at time. Switch to right on. Fish normal type, so I'm faster than it? Wow. I avoided the Power Whip. That's a good thing. Power Whip is a grass move. That hurt. I think it's a physical grass move, so that doesn't hurt as bad. But that would have hurt. That's not good. Tank can't handle Blastoises. That equals death. We don't like death. Thunderbolt should knock it out, saying it's about 12 level difference. Onyx. We're just gonna Doggo to get the health back. And honestly, Doggo needs to be a little bit stronger for, especially since Doggo's gonna be the main component of the third member of the Elite Four and a pretty significant part of the fourth member. Don't really wanna have her too weak. Marowak 62. No, unbelievable. Full restore. This is it. I believe that this is. Well, I think he's the guy. Wow, your Pokemon are so good. I'm Coach Sugar. Come on, battle me. I'm super excited. I'll be a spectacle. You don't have to fight this guy. I think that the last guy that you faced technically was telling the truth about being the last trainer. Primate, this is a terrible matchup. I need to get out of here now. I missed my... Rhydon missed his stop. He's gotta go. Air slash. That's gonna hurt. That was a crit. Good to know. We'll just psychic just to make sure. KOs. Just don't want to miss a. Arcanine, okay then. Tank, you're up. This is yours. Earthquake, take an outrage. Yep, definitely take the outrage. Arcanine down. Okay. Critted with an earthquake, alright. It's a little overkill, but Gyarados. Let's go into we'll just Thunder Shock on the right shoot. Then we will Oh wow, Gyarados actually survived. I'm amazed. Got a little overconfident there, but that's okay. Because I can't do anything else. Oh. It did count, so there is one more Pokemon, my bad. Gym's 57. Tauros! Marowak's up. Yeah, Eevee's gonna Dream Eater's not a ghost. That's the only problem I have, is that Dream Eater is not a ghost. Oh, he knows Outrage. Yeah, Marowak's got some pretty solid physical Ds. So that's pretty good. I'll go to 58. That move used at that point in the battle, never saw coming. Ooh, he gave us Outrage. A Graveler wanted to ruin my way outside of the cave. We're done. This music is intense. We've made it. It's been a long journey. A lot of team. You guys up in the Pokemon League with Doggo? Bye! Bye! Indigo Plateau. There is one thing that we were gonna do first, actually. Cool, I can swap out Cobra real quick. Power Up Pocket, Leaf Stone, use. Because since the only dragon type in this game is technically Dragonite, they gave you one more. This thing is so stupid looking. There's Executor. Its cries are very noises because each of the three heads think about whatever it likes. Sword Stomp. What are the odds of? It's a garbage moveset anyways, it doesn't matter though. I'm not actually using it, don't worry, I had to do that in order to trade. It's one of you. Forces with lethal skill traders. Is it you? I know every move that Pokemon learns is a virtue see. Oh. No. That's convenient. It's this dude over here. Yep. To X-Man. What a name. Oh yeah! Look at that thing. That is an ugly. Oh, Jesus Christ! Grass dragon. Are you done with your shopping? Is your party all healed up? Alright, well, before we call it quits, we're going to put our good friend Arbok back on the team. Because I definitely do not want to screw that up. Because you cannot swap your team once you're inside. And with that, we'll call an episode. I am gonna buy a bunch of items and I'll do moves, and then I'll start the episode and I'll just show you the moves that I got. So until then,